Hey!
Hi!
Well, welcome to our second video
of our epic adventure.
Yeah, we are on the road and having a fabulous time.
We are. We're loving every moment. We're not ready for it to end.
No.
Thank you for watching our first video, and for those of you who shared, we truly appreciate it.
Yeah.
We're trying to get the other videos. Kevin's working really hard on them, but with us traveling so much and internet issues, it's taking longer than we thought, but we will get them out.
We'll get them out. All right, here you go.
Enjoy! We continue with our journey down the central Oregon coastline, stopping in Thor's Well. We weren't here during high tide, so we weren't able to see the churning mass that looks like a seemingly bottomless hole that some have called the drain pipe of the Pacific. This looks yummy.
All right, I'll take that as good. All right, no words needed on this one.
It's very good.
Wash it down.
Making yummy noises. Looking for a mailbox. Is that an American thing then? Because in England there's like post boxes on every other corner, it feels like.
Yeah, well, it's not here.
I realise that. I'm used to just putting stuff in the outside box and putting the flag up. 3, 2, 1. That's the size of its roots all the way around if you were to stand it on its side.
Huh. Wow.
I think that's a tree that's fallen in the wood. Wonder if it made a noise. It's slugly. He's the Pacific banana slug. Maybe, or just the yellow slug. No, he looks like the Pacific banana slug. Look at the frill on the bottom of him that he has on here. Ew!
All right. See you later, buddy.
Be well. Don't get eaten by a mountain lion. I think this might be the best barbecue meat sandwich. It's tri-tip. But regardless, it's the best barbecue sandwich I've ever had. The smoke flavor, and then with the Cajun mayo in there, which is just a little hint. Oh my gosh. like your own little corridor through the trees. Look at it. Hi, tree. You're amazing. How long have you been here? Amazing. There's no words.
It's raining, but you only get one chance.
Winery.
So we wanted to do some wine tasting. Do y'all do like snacks or wine and
snacks
and
at the base of
cheese
the menu.
and things?
We don't do any pairings or anything like that, but we just got some cheese options at the base.
Yes, perfect. Crackers, cheese, meat, and wine. I don't want that to blow it away.
What a picture perfect day.
What an amazing, incredible day.
That Highway 1 between, what was that city?
Well, between the Avenue of the Giants.
And then Fort Bragg. It was just a twisty, turny joy to drive.
Yes. Well, I mean, I'm saying yes. I didn't drive it. I passengered.
No, but it was just phenomenal.
That's what we are. What? 2 acres of lush gardens. Oh my gosh. Oh look, the bar and restaurant are closed.
Mm.
Look how cute this is.
Oh, hang on, and then look. You got the keys?
Yeah.
To the car?
Oh, no? Why would I?
I didn't bring it. Hold on.
I just peeped.
You did?
I just peeped like this and went,
Dang.
look at this. This is adorable. Wow. Well, this is going to be plenty warm enough. Is this phone actually work? No, that would be too cold. Wow. We have our own little balcony out here. This is so cute. Are you happy with this one? Oh, so precious. Oh, I love it. Super cute. Someone hung onto that a little too hard, hey?
It's crooked.
Yeah, someone was
Hope you don't blame us. Hey.
Hey. This is so fun. Handsome.
Aw, thanks. What? Really nice. Oh, hey. We can't forget you. Come along. Little bit of grapes growing, some petite Syrah.
So you don't get the kind of oaky butter. You help them redo all of their labels. It's just kind of like the marketing side of it. And when it's that kind of environment,
That's yummy.
yeah, I'm glad you like this one. Really, really nice pizza at the Santa Rosa one. The pizza about a year or so ago, give or take a couple months. There's also 3rd Street Ale Works. It's like walking distance.
And that drive.
We even have
is
they have
yummy.
tour companies out here that will do like
You know, I'll never say no to wine.
just
Thanks.
gone, right? Texas style barbecue, brisket. Oh, I feel
Or like a really good gin.
in this place it ignited in flames and it was burning.
Need to Instagram this.
Yeah, go for it.
Gonna need my binoculars today because we are in Sonoma County, wine country. So what are we gonna do? We're going on safari. This is Safari West and was opened in 1993. Has 400 acres. It says it has 900 animals and 90 different species. So
What?
I know, I'm excited.
Wow. Right smack in the middle of Sonoma County.
I know. Who'd have thought it, eh?
Right?
Time for something completely different. Let's go meet the pansies.
What was that, like a saying from a movie?
Yeah, it's Madagascar.
Ooh, look at you with your movie knowledge.
And these birds here are ducks that don't quack. They whistle rather than whistle.
How fun is this? This is the weirdest thing. A safari in the middle of California. And that's what we're about to climb on. And the little boy over there said, I want to go see a rhino. So he said, you want to see a rhino? Let's go. Oh, there's a rhino. I want to see a rhino.
They love to steal the bracelets, watches.
Lime bitter. I like that too. We're gonna get burps after this. This is the one I want a growler of. It's good.
I think I'd rather this one than the original. Because it's double planing.
Watching the expert at work.
No.
We don't like pilsners.
That's the blind pig.
Blind pig. Let's try a blind pig.
Cheers, everybody.